issue whom I can take live right now, and we can have a very quick demo of the technique. So
Do you want to ask a very specific question, Dr. Rupa? It'll just make it easier for people to say yes, me, and I can just this thing. And if you're here on video, by the way, just raise your hand. Don't put the symbol up. Just raise your hand if you're here on video.
anyone here who has job difficulty or
Aditi, do you have a job difficulty? Nod your head. Okay, there we're just getting her on.
all right, perfect.
I've
So
sent you a request. There she is.
all right.
Thank you.
So Aditi, say one line to me. What is it?
One line about the challenge I'm facing.
Yes.
I feel very unclear. I don't know what I want to do.
Tell me more.
There's a feeling of stuckness,
Mm-hmm.
not knowing, just stuck in that place, not able to actually. It's here only. I think that stops me from even taking action. So that's this is where I am stuck. Do I need to tell more? Like lack of clarity is what I'll say.
So I'm sorry I didn't hear you, Aditi. I was lost. Again, repeat. I would like to know.
Yeah. So I'll say that it's lack of clarity. I don't know what I want to do.
I'm. Is it about your job? Are you trying?
Yes, about my career.
With
Yes,
your
work
career?
situation.
Are you looking for?
I am, but not with a lot of focus. It's very scattered. Like
I
the
can't
way.
hear Aditi. Is it me?
Dr. Rupa, I can hear her. Can you
I
hear
can't
me?
hear Neelu as well.
Okay, you're okay. Dr. Rupa is not being able to hear me either. Team, can I just, Shilpa, would you like to just message her and ask her to just to refresh and come on? And Aditi, hang in there. Dr. Rupa, can you hear me now? Dr. Rupa, I'm waving at you. And okay, I'm guessing you're not being able to hear us. Would you just like to disconnect and reconnect very quickly? Shilpa, are you sending her a message?
Yeah, Neelu.
Thank you. Okay, so just hang in there. We'll just wait for Dr. Rupa to be back here very quickly. And with any further questions that she does ask, do be clear about what it is that you're facing, so that you get to enjoy the experience as much. Dr. Rupa, there you are. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Look,
Aditi, say
stable.
something.
I'll just change it over to some better one. Let's see. I'll try it out. I've done. I'll try my best. Go on.
Yeah, is it audible now?
Dr. Rupa, can you hear Aditi?
No, I can't hear Aditi.
Can you hear me? Okay, I'm guessing the internet might be a little unstable. We'll just wait. Dr. Rupa, just take a second, switch off, come back. No worries. We're right here.
Yeah, okay. I will. I will. Is it better now?
Yes, absolutely. We can hear you. Would you like to go off video just for a minute till it stabilizes and just keep talking till then?
All right. I'll do that. Okay, that's better solution. So
Right. You can
yeah.
hear me now?
Yes, I can. I can. I can.
Okay, Aditi, go ahead, and Dr. Rupa, we'll have you back on video as soon as possible. Aditi, go ahead.
Yeah. So the challenge about work is that I don't feel clear. So even when I'll put in efforts, it's more sort of distracted. Uh, because of lack of clarity, I do not feel that clear that what exactly am I aiming at.
Right. I heard it all properly. So Aditi, the first step that there's someone sound coming from behind. All right. All right. So the first step we do in this technique of magical is thanksgiving. That is the first step. You are going to tell this situation Thank you very much for warning me that if I don't get the proper work, all these. So can you do it with me, Aditi, right now? Would you like to thank? You unmute yourself.
Yes.
Dr. Rupa, if you could just repeat what you said.
This obstacle,
This obstacle.
and then say that thank you very much for warning me. Now we all can.
Thank you very much for warning me.
I name my guide as Vanya or something, or I'll say, oh, thank you, Vanya, for warning me ahead of time that maybe these things will happen. Maybe this thank giving to this particular.
Dr. Rupa,
Yes, what happened?
yes, I think the words got cut in between, so I'm not sure if Aditi heard the whole thing.
It's intermittent. In between, I'm
Yes,
losing track.
right.
Let
So
me.
correct me if I'm wrong, Dr. Rupa. Correct me if I've gone if I've messed up the words anywhere. It's the obstacle is being thanked, and whoever you consider to be your divine guide or your angel, you say thank you to them also for giving you a warning that this obstacle is there. Did I get that right?
Right. You thank first. See, whenever there is a problem, there is fear. Am I right?
Yes.
When
Yes.
there is problem, there is fear, there is anxiety, there is uncertainty, there's heaviness about it. So what we do is whenever we do thank you to a situation or an obstacle or a person, then what happens that now the fear becomes lesser and lesser because you just thank. The obstacle, the first step is always thanking. The second step is very funny, Aditi.
Yes.
Who is there any person involved who is going to give you a job or something, or who is this person dependent?
Oh, it's not.
It's not.
I'm the
All right.
only person.
You're the only person. So let's do the second step. The second step is very simple, is that we can give some imaginary gift to this particular obstacle. The obstacle in the mind is this career. What will happen to my career? What gift would you like to give? I would like to give, I think, which is your favorite car?
My favorite car. Oh my god. I'll say Honda Accord.
So, to the obstacle, we are now going to gift a Honda Accord car.
Wow, that's exciting.
All right. There is
I'm
a.
already loving the sound of this.
All right. Let's do the third step. I want you to rename yourself. That is the third technique, and it is called as renaming yourself. Who is Aditi right now? It's a one line sentence. Aditi is the one who is a little confused and anxious and worried about her career. That's a one line answer.
Yes.
How about changing the name to Aditi? Aditi, do you remember from your childhood any particular time of your life when you really achieved a lot? Maybe you got prizes, or you were appreciated a lot by your school teachers or something.
Yes, I remember
You
that
received
time.
an award or something.
Yeah, I mean, not exactly a board, but I got a lot of new opportunities and I did well. It
So
was
which is
really
that time? Which is that time?
so. That was when I was during my internships.
So let's give a new name to Aditi. Can you describe in one line what was it?
So it was adventure. Like for me, it was adventure, magical, new freedom, and opportunity, appreciation, gratitude, recognition.
So Aditi is the one who is getting the recognition and an award. How does this sound?
This sounds awesome, magical.
Six awards. Aditi with 6 awards,
Yes, 6 awards.
and was the best. So
And
Aditi is the one who is receiving awards very frequently. How does
Aditi
this
is.
how does this renaming sound?
It sounds exciting.
So now you need to do 3 things every single day. thanksgiving for this situation,
Yes.
for cautioning me, alerting me. I'm going to give you a Honda Accord car, this obstacle. Please take it with lots of love. I'm giving it to you. Please accept it and be happy. And the third step, I am the Aditi who has won many awards. You have to keep repeating it 3 or 4 times a day as soon as the old world view starts telling you the record. Okay. How does this?
This sounds really exciting and joyful to me. I mean, thanking the situation and giving the gift is the best part. Like, it's so exciting. I'm feeling the joy. I feel like dancing with joy. And then Aditi is the one who gets the rewards.
And so now the obstacle is transformed into success.
Yay.
Very good. Anyone else who wants to come and has any problem with health
There
or
would be plenty of people who would come on. Aditi, thank you. There are plenty of people who definitely want to come on. Shiraj, are you here? Yes, Shiraj, his situation is job not getting selected at the last rounds. Shiraj, are you here on video? Why am I unable to see you? Hang on.
Hello.
Shiraj Deshpande, right? Yeah, there you are. Hi.
Hello, madam.
hi Sriraj.
Can you come on video? Is it possible, Shiraj?
Come on video so I can see you.
Yeah.
And quickly tell me, unmute yourself fast and tell me what is the situation.
I've sent you the request again.
Yeah, Sriraj, come on
hello,
video
ma'am.
if possible.
Pardon?
Come on the video if possible.
Video just.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There you are.
Hello, madam.
Yes. Tell me what is the situation? What is it that's bothering you?
Situation is like that. I'm not getting selected in the field which I want to work. Basically, I'm from teaching background, but I want to shift to the corporate companies, and there I'm not getting selected in the last round for many times. So I'm not understanding what is the puzzle, how to crack these things. I do meditation and all regularly, but I'm not able to crack this orbit. I think that what's wrong with me, or what, why they are not selecting me. I'm clearing the exams and all. So I'm eager to know how to handle this situation and get out of this to gain my bread and butter as fast as possible.
So the step number 1 is to thank this situation, right?
Pardon?
You have to thank you to this situation.
Thank you
You
to
have
the
to-
situation. Okay.
Yeah, thank you for showing me that I'm not, succeeding in what I am desiring. Thank you for showing me that I may or may not succeed. I may be in trouble. I may never get it, or I may
Yes.
get less money, or
Yeah.
I may never fulfill my dreams in life. So you have to thank the situation right away. That's number
Okay.
1.
Okay.
So would you like to do that right away? Thank this situation that has created that in the last round you want to get into the corporate sector, but it's not happening. Thank you for this situation.
Okay.
The step number 2, what would you like to give the gift to this particular situation? Is there a person involved?
Car only. Car. Good car.
Which car? A red color car or a yellow
Audi.
color car? Audi, which color?
No, Audi. White.
White Audi car. Wow, wonderful. Why don't we just give a white Audi car to this particular situation and just say that I am giving it to you. Please help me out. Please accept my gift with all the love. And I'll really, with all my heart give you this gift. The
Okay.
step number 3. What is Sridhar's name? Sridhar's name is somehow I don't seem to succeed in the last stage of this entire thing.
Okay.
Do you remember any time in your life when things were very good and you were on the top of your
2005.
2005. What happened in that year? You were in a state of soaring and everything happened great?
No, I got first prize in intercollegiate examination during my FY.
Wow.
And it was around 4 colleges were there. in our area, and I stood first in that.
So Sridhar, why don't we take that name all over again, that I am the one who is number one? Why don't you also sometimes, take a piece of paper and just draw number one,
Huh.
Sridhar,
Okay, yeah, I should keep that.
and stick it. Yes, you stick it
Where?
on the cupboard, anywhere, whichever color, you can become more creative and just say
Okay.
Sridhar is number one. And anytime the interview
I have
comes,
to, madam, just a minute. I have to write one, and below that my name, na?
your name.
Below that, na?
Yeah, you can be creative. You choose your
Okay,
name.
okay.
You can say Sridhar is number one. That's it. Sridhar is
Yeah.
number one. Then
Yeah.
you next time every day you do this 2 or 3 or 4 times a day. Anytime you are sinking into a state and start thinking, oh, mujhe wo job nahi mila, kya karu? Immediately you come back to the new worldview, into the state of meditative soaring. You reinforce this new name, Sridhar is number one. And
Okay.
when you go for the interview, you always walk with the same confidence because you've renamed yourself as number one.
Number
How does
one.
this
Yeah.
sound? How does this sound?
Of course, I'm feeling calm, and stress is going out. It was like a soda bottle open.
But Sridhar, why
Because lot
not
of
wear a
pressure was there.
t-shirt? Why
I
not
thought that I'm qualified. I'm not getting the job. What is this going on?
why not wear a t-shirt with number one on it? What do you think?
I would purchase.
Let's do it.
I will purchase now.
I had a paperweight that had number one on
But
it.
you have removed the stress, na? Out of my brain. You have removed the stress out by making me feel calm. I have written
Yes.
that in the telegram.
Wonderful.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you.
Fabulous.
We are back to one
Ma'am.
more person, whoever wants to come. Thank you, Sridhar.
Dr. Rupa, there is Katie had written in saying that she likes to be, she is grateful mostly, and she's done a lot of healings, but she's unable to, she has gratitude, but she still takes everything very seriously, and she's had a bit of a past. So can we just take Katie on right now?
Sure. And do tell me what exactly is the.
I will ask her to Katie.
Yeah.
I've sent you a request. Are you here? I mean, I know you're here, but can you see the request?
Yes, I'm here.
Hi, Katie. Can we? Would it be possible for you to come on video?
I can't get on the video. I'm sorry. Can we
No,
do it without
worries.
the video?
Yeah, absolutely. No
Sure,
worries at
sure
all.
we can.
Thank you. Yes, I just feel like I can't get happy. I can be happy periodically, but I just am too serious. I don't know how to play and have fun. And I'm hoping you can help me with some magic.
Absolutely, Katie. What a wonderful opportunity now. So you're going to thank Katie for being the serious, all organized, sorted, predictable, right? Let's just thank Katie for being this self. And
Okay.
what fantastic gift can we give to Katie? I would like to offer you a blue elephant embroidered on a tablecloth.
A blue elephant on what?
Embroidered, like stitching,
Oh, embroidered. Okay.
Embroidered on a tablecloth.
on a tablecloth. Take it.
Okay. Thank you.
And
Thank
would
you.
you
And
like
blue
to-
is my favorite color. So you did good with that.
So keep this blue elephant tablecloth right with you. What else would you like to gift yourself with? Something very funny, something nice.
See, I can't even come up with something nice. A piano. I don't know. That just popped into my head. I like to
Oh.
play piano, and I haven't had a piano for years. So
Beautiful. So let's give Katie. Katie, you gift yourself with a piano. We can start with a piece of paper where we can have a picture of piano. We can draw a piano. We can put it on the wall somewhere and say that this is the gift that I am ready to receive. And the third stage, Katie, you remember somewhere sometime in your life when you had lots of fun and you had like childlike playfulness and you were very carefree and there was no tomorrow, there was no next moment, and it was a moment of very high and you felt very, very happy?
I don't remember that time as a child.
Mhm. Any
Yeah,
time in your life? Any time in your life?
yes, after a divorce.
After divorce. And any particular incidents that you remember?
Actually, I had a business at the time and I really enjoyed that business. And I won an award. You were asking about times that maybe was a high point for me, and I had won a decorating kind of award.
Fantastic. So, what new name? I want you to be creative. How about giving Katie a new name instead of one who is very sad and depressed and sorted and not, light, very heavy, to someone who is.
I have a name that I
Mm.
like. It's my first name, Katie, but it's Katie Bella. I
Mhm.
had a friend who used to call me that, and it feels good to be Katie Bella.
So Katie Bella, Belladonna, can we say? Belladonna is the dancer. She dances.
Okay.
Katie Belladonna is the dancer who is dancing quietly, and we can add something more to it. What else would you like to add? Another sentence?
Katie Bella is dancing.
With a blue elephant next to the piano.
Ah, oh, and Katie Bella is singing
Yes,
to the elephant
we got it.
and playing piano at the same time.
Absolutely. So the magician also does one more thing. Magician actually starts, with this symbols or the new names, and you can actually have a tablecloth. You can have a blue color elephant in it. You can have a music, and you can actually dance and become that. Or you can have. I'm also wearing a purple skirt and dancing, or I'm dancing to the tune of Hindi music, something totally different you never done in your life. So choose anything that's very light-hearted, joyful, something that is close to your heart, and then repeat it every time from now onwards as your new name chosen by you. You've changed your worldview.
Okay.
How does it
Thank you.
sound and feel, Katie?
That sounds fun. It gives me something to focus on. It gives me an example because, like I said, I have a hard time coming up with the fun part.
So now,
Does it give you hope, Katie?
Yes, yes. Like I said, it gives me a focus. I like structure. I like exercises that will produce results. So
awesome.
thank you so
Katie.
much. Thank
So-
you.
Yeah, thank you, Katie.
Dr. Rupa, I
Yes.
have a whole bunch of questions I want to ask you just based on these 3 steps and certain things that you've just done here right now. Just before I do that, can we get one more person on? Valerie has written in that she has a fear of public speaking. So I'm thinking this would be, this would be great, right? For her to come
Absolutely.
on and experience. So Valerie, I've sent you a message, a request to unmute. Please do. And if it's possible for you, please do come on with video. Valerie?
Hello.
Hello, Valerie.
Hello. I'm very nervous.
Don't worry. It's just friendly people out here and we are not on a stage. Tell
Hi.
Go
me.
ahead.
I can't get the camera on, sorry.
No problem. Just express exactly your concern. Your fear of speaking in public, right?
Yes.
Hi.
I just get tongue-tied.
tongue-tied. Shall we thank this situation? Thank this entire situation of fear of speaking in public and feeling tongue-tied. I would just like to thank for this situation to be here to show me this part, that if I can't speak in public, it will be not good. No one will like me. Maybe my confidence will not be seen. All kinds of things that are attached with it, or inferiority complex. Thank you for this situation. Can we do that right away?
Thank you for this situation.
Right. The next one is to give some imaginary gift so that we can get out of this situation. To this situation itself, we can give some gift. What would you like to give?
I'd like to give a luxury holiday.
A luxury holiday. Fantastic. To where? Bahamas or Maldives?
The Maldives.
Maldives. Fantastic. So Valerie is now going to gift luxury holidays to this situation. Wonderful. Keep the image in your mind. And Valerie, what's the new name that we want to choose? Because the old name is Valerie is the one who is tongue-tied.
Okay.
What is the new name? Can we figure out something? Do you want to give a new name to yourself?
Yeah, Sophie. Bella.
Ali, did you say something?
Sophie. No. Can you hear? Bella.
Did you say Bella?
Bella.
Bella, not just the one word, you can say entire sentence also. What is she doing? Is she singing? Bella is singing?
Bella is dancing.
Dancing, of course. Bella is dancing. Let's add also the word some of your favorite song. Which one is your favorite song?
This girl is on fire.
Yeah, so let's sing it. Let's sing it right away.
I can't sing.
I Can't Sing is your old name. Your new name is Bella Can Sing.
This girl is on fire. I did sing. Did you hear me?
Yes,
you sang. You sang.
So Bella is singing a beautiful song, sitting under a tree and sitting under a tree and watching the birds fly. How is this?
That sounds good.
So write down this name and maybe let's do it for a few days and see what happens when you go for speaking in public. And at that time, you reinforce it again. If you have a situation where you have to speak in public, you just repeat your new name and you remain there in that zone and the rest will just happen.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Valerie.
Thank you.
Does it
Valerie,
feel good?
by the way, Dr. Rupa just wanted to let Valerie know that on the group, the team, everybody's clapped for you, even everybody who's in video. We've all clapped for you because you just sang in public, woman, and that to a song like That Girl Is on Fire. I mean, who does that? You just did. So congratulations to you.
Thank you very much.
Nidhu's also written in saying you sang so well, Valerie, and I love that song too. So yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So Dr. Rupa, there are these three things that you mentioned, that you thank the obstruction, then you gift that obstruction something, and that obstruction could be anything, right? For example, right now there was a job, there was a public speaking, don't know how to be happy. This could work with relationships as well. Like there could be that one person who you hear the name and something happens. So you could change that story for yourself also.
Absolutely. So for example, somebody is going to come in, he's known to be a very irritable fellow and he's going to pick up the fight with you. You almost anticipate up ye karega jagda, he will fight now. So now you have that old image of that person. That is the image he's going to fight. How are we going to change this to the new image? So the first one is this: thank you very much, Vanya, for warning me that this person is likely to fight. thank you for alerting me. So when you acknowledge it, you thank, the fear or the discomfort becomes very less or almost goes away because you've thanked the situation, you've acknowledged it. The next step is you can always give a gift to that person. So if someone loves lots of pani puri and is the same person who's going to also fight with me, I say, oh, I'm going to give you 100 pani puri today to eat as gift. So
I
that
want the pani puri first.
energy of the pani puri gets into the system of the other person. And the third thing is I'm going to rename that person. Let's rename him is someone who is wearing a purple hat and is dancing in a skirt. So you just say that, and when the person comes, he forgets to fight with you because you are just saying another image of him. He is wearing a purple hat and is dancing in a skirt. In your mind, you repeat this, and the fellow forgets to fight.
You're saying that if we do this ourselves, the other person is not going to, whatever, pick a fight or an argument with you. Does that really happen?
So remember two things I said right in the beginning. I am the magician. I
Right.
create my own world. The first one, I think everybody's got it. Everybody is a magician. But the second one, I create my own world. So whoever walks into your life with whatever troubles or anything else, you are the creator of that situation. Now you don't choose that worldview, you choose another view. You've chosen a view that the fellow is wearing a purple hat and is dancing in his skirt, a Scottish
Right.
dance.
Right. Right. So works on it works on the material level, it works on the emotional level, it works with people. Does it work on health also, Dr. Rupa? And can
Yes,
we take one person on any just randomly? I'm not even asking if they have a problem with health. Can we take one person on? Anyone?
pretty much. Anyone with a health problem, please come along and I will, definitely show the way.
Yeah, and it's we're just taking one person on just for you to experience this. And I can see Hansa's hi Hansa, will you be able to come on video? There you are. I've sent you a request.
Hansa Naidu.
Hansa Nanda. Hi,
Nandu.
hi Hansa ji, how are you? I think I've seen you after years now.
Yeah, I was staying in my village for one, just came. I got COVID.
How are you now?
Now it's better. But
Nice.
that is the just now problem. But my main problem is I am having ARMD in eyes and blocked nose. That is my big problem.
Dr. Rupa's here.
Sure. So Hansa, how about thanking our illness as the first thing? That thank you for being here, and I acknowledge for it to be in my life with the particular view that I have blocked nose, I have some problem in the eye, and there was COVID as well. First and foremost is to thank the illness, and now we are going to give some gift to this illness. How about giving what do you like? A beautiful
I like to visit Mansarovar.
you want a visit? Okay. So what a beautiful thing, Hansa. So Hansa is the one who is visiting Man Sarovar and is breathing deep, pure oxygen. Right? How is this
Yeah.
new name? How does this sound to you?
Good. Even I want to see, my name is Hansa. So Hans is, we are telling
Oh,
that Mansarovar ke Hans. So that idea is in my mind.
so Hansa
Because
is
she just renamed herself, didn't she, Dr. Rupa?
Hansa is from Man Sarovar, breathing deep oxygen.
Yeah,
Fantastic. How does this sound?
very good.
Very good. Take it. This is your name. You can actually take a picture of Man Sarovar, make also Hans, a bird picture, and then just say, I am that. You can color it whatever you like. You can write a poem about it. You can do a little music on it. You can sing the story like Hansa, Mansarovar, breathing deep. You can dance. You can sing like that as well. You can make a
Thank-
new poem out of it.
Thank
Take
you.
it, and within staying in a state of soaring, in a very high state, when you do this, the creativity happens, the healing happens. The rest of the things are sorted by itself by not interfering into the affairs, not pushing our worldview, but rejoicing in this state with a new view.
Thank you very much. Nilu, you
Thank
thank
you.
to you also.
But it was it's so nice to see you smiling and happier within like 2 minutes of taking just 1, 2, 3 tips with Dr. Rupa. This is amazing,
Yeah,
Dr.
yeah, it's fantastic.
Neelu, yeah,
Yes.
Neelu, I just thought maybe everybody wants to give themselves a new name today
Oh, that would
itself
be
and
lovely.
share it on Telegram right away. Everybody here, like 140 plus people here, please, all of you write your new name in the Telegram group right away. Join the group if you have not, and write a new name to yourself. And let's, Neelu, read the funniest ones. Give yourself very funny names also. Give anything,
Right.
You can become, say, a bench, watching the river go by. Or you can become a Mercedes car. You can become, like Neelu has become a banyan tree with a purple leaves.
I love it.
So you can give yourself a very funny name, whichever name you like. You can become that. You can become a tree. You can become a bird. You can become an animal. You can become a piece of furniture. Whatever you all want to become, you can draw that a picture of it. You can add some more colors in it. Do whatever you like, but just touch upon this funny, joyful aspect of life.
And people
There
have
are
already.
there are
Yes,
more
Dr. Rupa.
techniques. There are more techniques. I've just touched only the surface, just little bit